All right, so I guess I'm an addict. We got a second nucleus. We have a second hive ready to go. Jake here is going to install the nuke for the first time. Now we got our smoker going, and keep a watch. Okay, so now undo the top. So this is loaded with bees. You got pockets for that. Just don't slip. And keep it straight. Okay, look at it, clear the thing. We're not going to waste a lot of time looking. All right, let me have that smoker here. Oh, nope, no queen on that side, but and the more you go in and out of the hives, the more they get used to you doing it. There's some serious comb on that one. So these are a pretty wide comb.
But they're so wide.
Yeah.
What's bad about that?
Because it's harder to put the frames together. She could be on any one of these things if...
In the what? Oh, of the nook.
All right, let's get that last one in there real quick.
These two did have a little much.
I'm not seeing anything here. Oh, here she is. All right, so she's right here. Whoops, let me get her on film. She's got a white dot. Okay.
Oh, I see.
All right, so be very gentle. Make sure, if anything, you don't rub this side that she's on. So get it straight down. And then just go. Just go slow. All right, sorry about the video. I think that's pretty good. All right. Now take your, put your lid, because we don't have a feeder yet. Oh, crap. I gotta open up this. This is the actual entrance. Okay, so as luck would have it, we just got done installing the bees, and my bee feeder was not here yet, but it just came in. I just gotta, let's see, I think I gotta peel this thing off of here. I just made up almost a gallon of syrup. I'm gonna throw my jacket back on. The smoker's still smoking, and I'm just gonna install this quick. Oh yeah, there is one, but who knows which hive that's from.
Woo!